Yeah, this is a video of my Simplex wall school clock. Now, I purchased this thing off of eBay back in August of 2008 for like $10 for the item and $10 for shipping. And yeah, the price of the clock is a pretty good deal, but the shipping wasn't pretty pleasant. But what are you gonna do? All I could say is I'm pretty happy to have this. When I first got this, I was pretty excited when I first received it. Now, the original owner came from Florida, and yeah, it has been making this weird noise. See? More carefully. More carefully. Yes, you can hear the loud buzzing right now. And here, the model number of this is sorry you can't even see it well, but I'm going to read it to you. 2310. I don't know the last four digits to this. And here's the wiring diagram. And it's manufactured somewhere in Massachusetts, and part of the sticker's torn off, so I can't even read it where it came from. Funny, it's still spinning, even though the buzzing has gone away. And yeah, I'll figure a way to make that buzzing go away somehow. Yeah, there's a little recent update after I've done filming here. Seems like the buzzing had gone away for a weird reason. When I hung the clock up on the wall when I have it plugged in, it makes this loud buzzing as I hung it up, and when I hung it up on the wall, it seems to go away. And yeah, some of you are curious to ask me, and yes, I do like to stare at these things when I went to school back in the day, and they're a lot of fun. I can't even keep my eyes off of them. Oh man, they're pretty good childhood memories, I gotta say. And yeah, thanks for watching.